Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum first year. This is Aisha. Hope you all are fine. Today I will give you a brief introduction to your intermediate English book 1. As you already know that we have two books in your intermediate first year syllabus, that is book 1 and book 3. Book 2 is included in your second year syllabus. In book 1, you will have 15 short stories. Before beginning the short stories formally, you should know that what is a short story. Short story is a brief work of fiction which is meant to be read in one sitting. उर्दू में शॉर्ट स्टोरी को हम अफसाना कहते हैं. देर आर 5 मेजर एलिमेंट्स दैट मेक अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी. The first and foremost element of a short story is its setting. Setting refers to the time and place in which the short story is taking place. कि जो कहानी है वो कब और कहाँ वाक़या हुई है, ये हमें सेटिंग के ज़रिए पता चलता है. The second element of a short story is its plot. Plot कहानी शुरू कहाँ पे होती है, मिडल में क्या क्लाइमेक्स आता है और एंडिंग कैसे होती है, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड प्लॉट. द थर्ड एंड द मेजर एलिमेंट ऑफ अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी इज़ इट्स करेक्टर्स. Generally, a short story have 1 to 2 major characters, and one of which is a protagonist or a hero of the short story around whom the whole story revolves. The fourth element of a short story is its conflict. Conflict means situation, problem that the main characters are facing and how they cope or how they solve that problem and how they get through the situation. ये सारी चीज़ जो है वो आपको शॉर्ट स्टोरी में पता चल जाती है. And the final element of a short story is its theme. Themes mean मरकज़ी ख़याल, मेन आइडिया, कि एक कहानी के ज़रिए राइटर आपको क्या मैसेज देना चाहता है, राइटर आपसे किस एक आइडिया या किस एक तसव्वुर के बारे में बात करना चाहता है. तो ये सब एलिमेंट मिलके एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी बनाते हैं. So short story, you will be having different flavors of short stories in your book 1, some of which are originally written in English and some are the translations from other languages. So this book 1 is important from the point of view of exams because these short stories carry the maximum weightage in your board exams. Now I will discuss how you have to prepare these short stories according to your exams. In objective type, you will be having 5 synonyms and 2 to 3 MCQs from this short story section. So you have to read each and every short story very carefully in order to find out the synonyms of all the important words, and you should be knowing the whole story completely so that you can attempt any of the synonyms, any of the MCQ that is coming from any of the short stories. तो आपको शॉर्ट स्टोरीज़ की कहानियाँ बहुत अच्छे से आनी चाहिए, उसमें कैसे करेक्टर डेवलपमेंट हुई है, छोटे छोटे फैक्ट्स, इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे दी गई है, क्योंकि कहीं से भी आपसे MCQ पूछा जा सकता है. And in subjective type, you will be having 9 short questions based on short stories, from which you will have to attempt 6. And each question will carry 2 marks, so you will be having 6 multiplied by 2, 12 marks of short questions from this short story section. 12 नंबर के आपको short questions attempt करने होंगे. And the next question that will come in your subjective type from your short stories is the translation from English to Urdu. You will be having a paragraph of 4 to 5 lines to translate into Urdu, and this question carries the maximum weightage in your subjective type, that is 15 marks. So you have to prepare your translations very carefully because this question carries the maximum marks in your board examination. The next question that comes from short stories is punctuation. You will be having 2 to 3 lines written in English. They will take any of the lines from any of your short stories and you will have to punctuate those lines sensibly. So this question is of 5 marks. So you will be having a total of 32 marks in your subjective type exam and 7 to 8 marks in your objective type. So if you cover this short story section carefully and properly, you will cover 40 marks from your board exams. So this was it for today. I have given you the brief introduction and also given you the detail of the weightage that these short stories will be having in your board exams. Inshallah, we will begin the first short story in our next lesson. Allah Hafiz.